We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, we feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels
Sing
right.
happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday to you.
It's a perfect.
Very good. You decide. Kamusta? With all the money I have? Tapos sigurado ka ba dyan? Which is good. Pray for it. Good job.
Pakabait ka. Pastor, wala sa talents. Hindi kami gwapo. Mapil lang. Sir, ketchup. Pastor, mahilig ka pala mag-cutics.
Ikaw ba yung naghahanap ng away? Boli ka! Happy birthday, Pastor.
Mataba ka.
May magnify pa. Robinson sa coca, pag gusto ko lang. Di na a-attend ng training, maglilibot na lang. Pastor!
Patawa!
Pagkat si Kuya JD makasalanan. Pastor!
Patawa!
Happy birthday, Patsy. We love you.
Feel the vibe, enjoy the fascination. All your friends are here tonight. Happy anniversary, we hold you tight. It's a perfect situation. Hale and hearty, what a combination. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Happy birthday to you, and may all
Welcome to Qingdao. This is one of the beaches in Qingdao.
It's
And
nothing compared to the Philippines, of course.
we wanted to wish Pastor Joel a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Joel!
Happy birthday, Kuya Joel.
God bless you. Thank you very much for everything. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting kaibigan at kasama sa ministry. I know that the Lord will always be faithful sa iyo because you have been faithful to Him. God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
At syempre, hindi ako pauhuli sa kaguluhang ito. Happy birthday po, Popsi. Yung inumin po natin dyan sa taas, ibaba mo na. Buksan na natin yan. Kapalitan ko. Neto. Eto, kailang bawas na tong mga to eh. Paubos na nga to eh. Happy birthday po. Praying for more blessings and more blessings and more blessings. God bless po sa inyo lahat. Namiss ko po talaga kayo. God bless.
Maligayang kaarawan, Popsi! You're a blessing! We love